I used to think that anyone who knew how to make ebe was superior. Maybe because it tasted so good, I thought I couldn't make it myself and that it was hard to make. But ever since I started making it myself, I've been judging everyone's ebe. And to be honest, I make it the best for my taste buds. It's hard to find someone that makes ebe how I like it, so I always prefer making it myself. Anyways, this dish is probably the easiest Gambian dish you can ever make. Boil cassava. When it's soft, pound some of it so that the water can thicken up. Pound your pepper as well. Add the palm oil, add tamarind, add lemon, add salt, add jumbo. Then when it cooks a little bit, the palm oil kind of cooks out. Then put in crab, shrimp, whatever seafood you want to add. And then you're going to pick that fish that you boiled earlier and then put it into the pot. And then you just let this boil on low so that all the flavors can come together. You want the juices from the crab and the shrimp and the fish to, seep into everything. And that's it.